Welcome to Travel with Muhamed.
JoJo, I don't know how JoJo's not sweating. I got the crew with me. It's been a long day. Got JoJo real nice. Look at her hair. She got some cool hair. I'm trying to talk, but they all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. How are you? I'm good.
You look at me, I'm super pretty.
We're passing out the last few.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I've been up since 4 a.m. I'm headed to JoJo's province. I'm coming from Bogo City. I've been in Bogo City for a day. 3 hours north of Cebu City. And his town is 45 minutes south of Bogo City. Beautiful morning. The ocean is there with the beautiful view. Alright, I'm here with JoJo and his family. We in a small town. We up in the mountains. As you can see, we got some beautiful views up there. This is like the square. It's not big. This is what the town looks like. Is this a church, JoJo? Or no?
No. This is a playground also.
Okay. This is a park. Okay. Y'all remember JoJo. Say hi. Well, you can't run. You're going to get on camera too. Y'all remember JoJo from a few videos. JoJo was in a video with Mobola and the Median. All right, we about to go look at some rice and get the price of the rice. It's a small town, but it's pretty developed. See, you got some nice roads. The views here are beautiful. Okay, I see some. They got a couple places with rice and stuff. There's some oil. We're getting 2 different rices. So this is the first one we're getting. They have 8 sacks of those. And the other brand, I'm not seeing. I think it's this one here. So they're going to break it down and they deliver. You can see they got a ton of different rices here. I couldn't tell you the difference from any of them. But we're getting a total of 650 kilos. Okay, so it's here. They're gonna deliver it. They're gonna package it up and they're gonna deliver it to us. We're gonna hang around in the town to wait on the rice.
And
We got the rice
the
here.
other rice is coming.
They're doing another delivery.
So, hey, my friend, my brother.
Hello.
Welcome in our place, Travel with Muhamed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is
Thank
my
you.
therapist. He like hello. That one.
Ah. What's that? Hello.
Hello is a massage.
Oh.
Yeah.
We got some of the rice here. We're waiting on the rest. But there it is. This the delivery guys. They just dropped it off. Thank you. We got all the rice here. We told the people to come in an hour. Got a few people coming. So it's this is 130 sacks, 5 kilos each. They backed them all up individually, which is nice. Way different from the last time we were here. JoJo's gonna pass it out. We told everyone to come down. The houses are spread it out. But we got a few people. Say hi.
Pasalamat ha. Pasalamat mo ha.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Putting JoJo to work. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is, she's a therapist.
Manghihilot. A massage.
Is she going to be able to carry? Tell her I love her hair.
Yes.
I don't like being in the camera during these times. Thank you. It's fine. It's okay. I got my towel.
You kiss the gun. You kiss the gun.
She put that hat on. It's hot. It's sunny. There's a few people here. So this is a true province. The roads they go up. There's houses deep inside. Thank you. You're welcome. So we just told them to come. And we got a lot to pass out. We're gonna save 3 sacks to some people. Ooh, it's hot. There's more people showing up, which is good. JoJo's working hard. Hello. Thank you. They say thank you, I say thank you back. I don't know if y'all know this, I do say thank you back. They appreciate it. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. All right. The dogs, they trying to figure out what's going on. Oh, the dog's trying to get through. You're welcome. Yeah. These are some big sacks. Let me see. This heavy. It's about 10 pounds. It's pretty heavy sack. People coming. Look at the kid. Kid with his little toy gun.
Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Putting JoJo to work. I don't know how JoJo's not sweating. I'm not even working. And I'm sweating. Still got a lot.
Thank you, Mo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My friend. Ito na po dito.
Thank you.
Ito na po dito ha. Kasama tayo dito lang. Tagay tuntungan asa man. Oh, dada.
Ayaw na ini.
I forgot to thank my homeboy Chris, and I got 2 members that subscribe on the membership. No, it's fine. I'm used to it. She putting the umbrella on me. I'm a gangster out here. So I ain't a gangster. Let me not say that. But appreciate it. Chris, he donated $200. I usually don't give the amounts of donors, but I really appreciate that. And we were able to get 130 sacks. That's for 130 families. And people asked, how can they donate? You can just be a member on my channel. That's $3.99 a month. It's not a lot, but it adds up. And I got almost 10,000 followers. Even just 1,000 of those followers at $3.99, that would be even more than what I can do. Thank you. I'm trying to talk, but they all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. All right. David, he's contributed a few times. David has given 150 times.
You have
David, he's contributed several times. And I don't have a list in front of me of the few members I got. But I thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. Thank everyone for watching and just following this journey. You can also, there's like a donate button where you can just put whatever amount you would like to on the Facebook channel. But I just ask you to be a member for, I think it's $3.99 or $4.99. And you can just forget about it. Hello, I love this lady. They said she was a therapist back in the day. How are you? I seen her walking. She's real nice. Look at her hair. She got her cool hair. Again, Chris, thank you. I can't forget his wife. I've been saying his name, Charlene. It wasn't just Chris, but it was husband and wife duo. So shout out to you all. And I'd love to keep doing this. This will be my last video here, and I'm headed to my next destination. And I hope I can do this in the next one. So, we about to load up some bags. I don't know how many he loaded up. And we about to go up the road to another village. Okay, so he got two in here. So yeah, they got that right. Thank you. You're welcome. He got 2 sacks. He's gonna take 3. JoJo's doing all the work. I've had people ask me why I do this, and I'll ask why not. A lot of people have reasons of, well, why don't you help your own, or why don't you do this, why don't you do that? I'm helping. I hope this promotes and help others. Help. That's it. No religion, no politics, no, I don't care about their past. I'm just helping people. All right, we on the road. We're gonna give a rice to some families here. We got
all parents there here is go to school.
Oh, they in school right now. They're in school. The parents are at the school, so we're gonna go to the school. Hello. The girl waving, running. What's up? We're gonna.
Yes, thank you.
We're gonna give some rice to the families down here. Hello. We're just stopping on the sides of the road. Hello. How are you? I'm good. How are
You look at me, I'm super pretty.
you? He's the fish guy.
Yeah, it's a fish. That one, a fish guy.
What kind of fish is this?
What is this?
Yeah.
Gutom.
Ah, okay. It looks like close to sardine.
Yeah.
They all got the fish on their motorbike.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. We'll check out the bike with the fish. We're passing out the last few rice. You got a pig in there?
It's a pig. Pig.
Let me see. I thought I heard a pig. Oh, she got a pig on the bike. Ah. Yeah, like we're gonna be passing out the last few.
Thank you
Here.
so much.
Thank you.
Please
You're welcome.
subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Hi.
you.
Bye-bye. Di ka na sa eskwelahan?
Getting put to work.
May gani ka nakakuan mo.
We're almost done. I got the crew with me. It's been a long day. Got JoJo, got the wife,
My family.
daughter in the back. They gonna do TikToks later.
TikTok mo ha?
We're gonna have lunch.
TikTok mo doon ha?
We still need to pass out 2 bags, so we're gonna go to. Is it family
No, it's a
or a friend?
friend of his,
Okay.
my wife. 4
We're
people
gonna go
going there.
to some friends on the other side of the province. Look, she's drying her herbs. Is it veggies or herbs?
It's malunggay.
Oh, okay. Oh, this the kids we were just at.
Yeah.
Moringa.
Oh, that's the mothers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the land of my wife. This is our land.
Record.
Okay. So we're going all the way back.
Be careful because there's that stuff here.
Nah. Going deep in the back to some houses.
And also
see.
watch yourself because they might be picky.
Yeah, I see.
There's
This is the journey. Oh, there's some Coca-Cola. I see chocolate. I see coconut.
cacao seeds are these.
Yeah.
Kuya, bukas.
Oh man, we on a trail. So we walked pretty deep. Then you just see the land cleared out. It's beautiful. Here's 2 houses. The 2 houses back here that we giving the rice to. The lady's real nice. There she is. She's under the cover. All right, we resting. That was a hike, JoJo tired. That was a good hike. Back up, and it's humid, it's hot. So right now we just relaxing. They preparing lunch. It's still early, but it feels late. So it's been a good day. And we still going.